Let's see if this design nails the mix of natural wood and clear resin. That walnut slab looks amazing. The grain is bold, dark and rich. With a clear epoxy in the middle, it almost looks like the wood is floating. This is the kind of table that makes you want to walk around it just to see every angle. Look at that grain. That is why black walnut is such a favorite. Dark and classy, but with those lighter streaks that add character. This piece feels like it was cut just right, so your eyes follow the lines straight into the resin section. Clear resin shows every bubble and every speck of dust, but this looks flawless. It's like a sheet of glass between the slabs. Simple wood legs. I like that choice because it keeps the table feeling warm and natural. A lot of people go with black metal bases for that modern vibe. Wood works, but I do wonder if two legs might have made the epoxy pop more. This table is a win for me. Walnut plus clear epoxy feels modern but still natural. It's classy and timeless. Personally, I will swap the legs for metal to give it a sharper look, but either way, this piece is built to last. What do you think? Would you want a clear epoxy table in your home? Or do you prefer bold colors like ocean blues or smoky blacks? Let me know in the comments.